here? What is going on with you? Oh man, I had to calm her down, and we're all good. But holy shit! So there is a semi and 4 box trucks. Holy shit! So I got to Mount Vernon. Mike called me, said the plant's got one door open. You better hurry up and get here. So I left Mount Vernon at 5:10. I got here just now, 5:45. I usually get here about 6. There's a semi and 4 box trucks. Damn. We're all taking turns with Sarah. Sarah's gonna give us all hand jobs. Did you call Aaron? Well, you got off the phone with me and said, I'm calling Aaron. I thought you already knew that before I got off. That you're doing Bill's route. We talked about it before you called or got off. You ain't calling nobody. I know, I'm just giving a hard time. Calm down. Well, who the fuck is this? Oh, it's fucking Ken. I'm moving for Ken. Yeah, you told me. You did. Woo. He's always doing everything.